Today, in How to Blinds, we show you how to measure fox wood blinds.
First, we'll measure the width of the blind. Measure the recess at 3 points: the bottom, middle, and top. And note down the smallest measurement, accurate to the millimetre. Now we'll measure the drop of the blind. Again, we'll measure the recess at 3 points: the left, middle, and right sides. And note down the smallest measurement of the three.
This is how we measure wooden blinds.
Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more on how to blinds.